Outdoor Workshop, Exploring Taste Senses. Today at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, our baby shark tank from Dolphin Class joined a super exciting outdoor workshop, exploring taste, sour, salty, sweet. With simple ingredients like lemon, sugar, and salt, the children experienced a fun journey through 5 levels of taste perception. Navy bravely tasted lemon first, making a cute sour face, but still very courageous. Rocky enjoyed discovering the sweetness of sugar and happily shared his thoughts with the teacher. Penguin carefully observed and tried each taste step by step, showing great focus and memory skills. Luna excitedly joined the 5-level taste challenge and reacted adorably to each different flavor. How are sour, salty, and sweet different? Why is it important for children to learn through real sensory experiences? Develops taste perception skills. Stimulates thinking and observation. Encourages learning through hands-on experiences. Makes science learning fun and engaging. Today's activities included tasting lemon, sugar, and salt. Taste guessing game. 5 levels of taste intensity exploration. Sharing feelings with the teacher. Fun movement activities after tasting. Have parents ever let children try sour, salty, and sweet tastes at home? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Dolphin Class, hashtag Outdoor Workshop, hashtag Sensory Learning, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Baby Shark.